So hello and welcome back, and today we're gonna make a removal, aka how to remove Ford Fiesta STLINE navigation or multimedia, as ever you wanna call it. And to start off, you need to take this plastic cover, and most easy way to do this is to put the plastic on this side over here. So like this, you take it out. So let me show you, because I already took it out. But what's holding it, it's holding these plastic pins. So that's the thing. Look, this looks like this really nice one. Look at this. So after that we have 3 screws. It's 7. So you unscrew those. I did already that. So you take them out. So these 3. So these 3 you take out. Don't lose them. You're gonna need probably. So after that, you just pull up and out. You just like this. So pull up and out, and then gently. Be gentle with this one, because you don't wanna break this yellow, this one, because if you break this, and it does happen a lot, if you break it, the display is toast. You will not be able to fix it. So you need to gently take out a screw or plastic pin and click this from that side up in. So I will take it out and then we'll show you again. So as you can see here, so this is the what's holding in the place. That's why you have to gently click this inside like this. So but you have to be gentle, because if you break, and it does break quite easy, this one, if it gets loose, you're kinda dead, and you need a second one. So need to take care when you take this out, because the whole purpose of all this is probably to change it. And yeah, so next what you need to do, you need to take this cover off. And to take this cover off, you need to start with these 2 screws and take all this plastic out. But I will unscrew this. I believe it's Torx 20 or 25, 20 probably, because it does feel small. Now let's unscrew those and then we continue. So once you unscrew these 2, you take them out. And next step should be taking this whole plastic out like this. I don't think there is any other screws in there, but now let's try it. So again, always be careful. Don't mind me doing it this way, because yeah, I have few of these, so for me it's no big problem, but for you it just might be. So maybe over here a little bit. So I believe those, yeah, that's and now you take this out. Maybe some sideways. No. So that's about that. Now we have this start button. You might have, might not have, I'm not really sure, depends if it's on start button or no. And then we have 4 more bolts over here. As you can see, we have 2 plugs. So 1 plug to take out, another one, and we have 2. These are probably antennas. So this just clips, just click in. So just click this and pull out. After that, you need to unscrew these 4 bolts and you can take this out. When you're unscrewing, take these out as well, because there should be another piece below that, but we will check out. Depends, it's not always the same. So let's see we will continue. Let me just unscrew these. So once you unscrew these, they go out. This will go out really easily. Maybe this electricity might come in the way, but maybe not this way, huh? But let's take this out just in case. Just in case. I'm gonna take this out so I get some little bit space with all of that. So again, you should use plastic, these bins, to take these things out. It's much more safer this way. Let's go with safe. I believe this is something aftermarket, not really sure. Might even be something that you buy like from the Ford, but I'm not really sure, and I would not say if it is that way. So let me take this out and then we continue. So once you take out, I did cut myself probably, yeah, look at this. You take this out, you should take out this one power button out, and then this should be much more easier to take out. So let's take this out. So yeah, now we have this electronics out, and checking if there is some more inside or no. Sometimes there is, and sometimes it's behind the odometer. So this might be the one that has behind the odometer, but now let's just check out just in case, because sometimes there is another electronics that hides behind this. So let's take this one and then take this out. Sometimes it's so easy and sometimes it's really not. This one has this clip, so you should take care of that. Now it should be easier to pull it out. So here we go. Now this is out, this is out. The only thing holding is these clips over here. So I'm gonna remove that from equation. Probably have to click it like this, and this side as well. Now it's out. And yeah, so as I said before, there is another piece of it. It's from navigation, and yeah, what's holding it, it's probably, I believe it's 3 screws. Yeah, 3 screws and some installation from it. So let me take this out. I don't know if you're gonna see this. So this is the one, and there is another one. I don't know what's holding it. And these two. So this one should be just click, but you never know with Ford. So probably just click down like this and take out. Yeah, and this one as well. Now let me take this out, because there is one screw over here, one is over here, and I believe just those two. Yeah, we'll check out. Just let me take it out. So it was not 2, but there is another one here. So 3 screws to take this whole assembly out, and then we have more space to put our fingers inside and click this one. And this one has this crazy one, so you need to take care of again when you unscrewing this one. So as I said, you really need to be easy and take care with that. So it stands like this. We have that screw over here, this one over here, and this one over here, with 4 jacks to take out. So that's about that. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like and follow. And this is the whole multimedia from the Ford Fiesta. So till next time, yeah, don't forget subscribe, comment, like and follow, and see you guys.